Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars, Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Check it out, 1967 Chevy Nova, badged up SS. It's a modern day muscle, meaning it's got an LS engine in there with less than 25,000 miles, with a 6-speed manual transmission, 355 gear, power 4-wheel disc brakes, and a newer paint job on it. Custom interior with bucket seats and console. Sitting on 17-inch Rev custom wheel package. Gives it a real nice classic look. Got a great stance. We're going to get up and personal on this so you can learn all about it, so you know exactly what you're getting before you get it home. Got a great little sound to it. I like how they updated the reflector back here. The brake. Nice car. Good stance. Front chrome, grille are in good shape. All your lights are working. It's a heater delete car. Hood lines up good on passenger side. It's a little off on the driver's side. We'll take a look at it. Just got a little up here that we got to look at in here. Get it pushed down and figured out. Wipers are working. Brakes really good, just like I said, got done driving it. Your fender and door line is good all the way out to the bottom. Rear quarter and door good. All your glass on the front windshield, driver's side vent window, and rear passenger window are all good. A couple little spots in here, no cleanup. Nothing major. Roof line's good. Really deep to paint. I'd give it a strong 8 out of 10. Nice back here, chrome rear bumpers in good shape. Trunk lines up the way it should with a nice little chip that I'll get touched up. Rear glass is in good shape. It's got some tint on there. Personally, I'd take it off, but I'll let the next person enjoy it if they want it. Rear quarter passenger side is good all the way through. Door lines up well. All your glass, vent glass, sport mirror are all in good shape. Really nice all the way through there. LSX, there you go, standing tall. Let's check out the interior. This thing really moves. It's so light, handled good, just a ton of power. Door panels, good shape. No rust to be found anywhere. All your seatbelts intact. Your rear deck is good. Speakers back there. Headliner's in good shape. Carpets are good. Tilt steering wheel. Aftermarket gauges, speedometer, radio's working. This car has an electric fan inside here you want to turn on when you're running the car, just so you all know. Nice feature, keep it nice and cool. Let's check out the other door. This will be repaired. It came off right there. We're going to take care of that. Nice car. Clean underneath as well. Take a look. I'll get it on the rack and get some pictures of it as well. Check out the trunk. Spare tire, jack, battery located in back, Looks like a power antenna. Oh, it is a power antenna. Nicely done. Trunk's in good shape. This is an original quarter. This side's been fully done. You don't see the stamp pad, so but no cutting inside there. I don't see. No. Solid trunk. Those are your Rev 17-inch wheels. Great shape. Four-wheel disc brakes. Let's fire this baby up. That beauty. All your gauges are working. Just the way they should. Wipers are working. Radio is working. Let's listen to this. Clean in here. All your belts, all your hoses are in good shape. All your weather stripping inside the car's in good shape. I'll give it a little gas for you guys and gals. If you're looking to get some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 640 to a 739, go directly to my website, mgmclassiccars.com. Hit apply now. 10% down up to 84 months with good rates. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down. Approvals within 24 hours or sooner. Up to 84 months with good rates. If you need quotes on shipping enclosed or open anywhere in the United States, please text me or call me. My name is Earl at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We've got over 120 cars in inventory ready for immediate delivery. We are located in Addison, Illinois. Open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. Repeat, by appointment only. Hang on, let me just turn on this fan, because it's got a fan inside there. We need that. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook, mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Earl. If you have any questions, you can reach out at me at 773-600-0919. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.